In this video, we will show you how to install air horns using a Nissan 350Z. The tools required may vary for different vehicles and applications. Let's begin by opening the hood. Remove 8 10mm bolts under the front bumper. Pull the inner fender liner aside and remove 2 10mm bolts you see here. Remove 6 plastic clips from the top of the bumper. Now we can remove the front bumper. With the bumper removed, we can now access the stock horns. Go ahead and disconnect the horns. Now let's remove the horn assemblies. Attach the air compressor to the chassis with the bracket supplied with the kit. Or you could use a bracket similar to what you see here. With the air compressor secured, connect the air horn power connectors to the compressor. Now install the air hose assembly to the air horns. Then secure the air horns to the chassis using the supplied brackets or a bracket similar to what you see here. Attach the air hose to the air compressor. Now that we've installed your new air horns, replace all hardware in reverse order of removal. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.